What's up guys, it's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Talk with a brand new Air Jordan sneaker review. And it's been a while since I've done a sneaker review on the channel, so shout out to you if you're watching this. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Christian. I do daily videos like this, reviews, unboxings, hauls, outfit challenges, and of course vlogs. Today we're actually going to a special Nike event, so if you guys want to see that event, I'll leave it linked down below, or it'll be up on the channel very soon. But Nike invited me over to a special 420 themed event, so that should be fun. But you guys aren't here for that. You guys are here for the brand new Air Jordan 10s that just released. Let's get into the box first before we get into the shoes, because you guys know we have a little box fetish on this channel. So here is the front of the box. We got the Air Jordan 10 Retro right there, size 10, Nike Air branding up on the top. Here's the top of the lid. We got the red Jumpman with Jordan and Air Jordan, Jordan of the Air, heiress of the Jordan. No, that didn't sound right. We're not gonna go with that. And I don't know what it is. Actually, I know what it is about the box, but it feels like the box has a really weird label. Like, just look at this, guys. Look at this. The way the font is on the 10, the way the font is on the Air Jordan 10 Retro, it looks a little weird to me. It's not what I'm used to when it comes to the Air Jordan boxes. This right here is the 10 I am used to seeing, but the 10 on the 10 box is like skinny. It's like 50% skinnier. So I think that might be why the box might look a little foo-foo, but these are indeed legit from Champ Sports. Bam, the Air Jordan 10 Dark Shadow. These things are killer, man. These are stealthy. Now you might be wondering, is the Air Jordan 10 Dark Shadow worth it? At a retail price of $255 Canadian plus tax, or 190 US if you're in the US markets, it's pretty steep, but it's the average price for a new Air Jordan Retro at this time. And a lot of people think these are going to sell out, and I actually would have to agree with them. I don't think these are going to necessarily be an instant sellout like within the first day or even first weekend, but I do think within at least the first 3 weeks to 4 weeks these will probably sell out, just because of how clean and simple of a colorway this is, and because when it does come down to those people who want to get one pair of Jordans or one pair of sneakers for the year, usually things like a white Air Jordan 11 Low or just like a colorful Air Jordan 6 Gatorade, those sneakers tend to, you know, only go with certain outfits, and they also get pretty dirty pretty fast, and you don't want to be dropping like $200 on a pair of sneakers and they get dirty and you get all depressed and sad and you just want to, like, you know, hate yourself for the rest of the year. But with these right here, the Air Jordan 10 Dark Shadow, because these are in such a subtle and dark colorway, it will hide any dirt you get on the shoe very easily. You're hardly ever going to need to clean these, which I find very useful. And if you're a kid, or if you're just a person who's being very financially aware that, you know, these are very expensive and you don't want to mess up and get a pair of expensive shoes dirty, the Jordan 10 Shadows will help you get rid of that anxiety of getting your shoes dirty, because you can wear these and not even care about where you go. You can go into grass fields, you can go to the club, you can do whatever you want in these dark shadows and you'll be fine. One of the first things you're gonna notice about the shoe is that it is not a triple black sneaker. It's a mixture of this like dark charcoal gray mixed with a black. And so you have this dark gray nubuck material on the upper of the shoe. It has a nice, very smooth touch to it. Behind that, you also have this nice full grain tumbled leather on the side panels of the shoe on both left and right sides of it. You also get that tumbled leather on top of the nubuck material, so it sort of has like a sandwich kind of effect with that gray nubuck. The Air Jordan 10 is one of the few retro Jordans that use rope laces like this, and the lacing system is actually pretty unique. They don't use like a traditional circle eyelet. Instead, it uses these little like holes that the rope laces are then fed through. Going up to the very top of the shoe, on the tongue you have the Air Jordan 23 logo debossed into the nubuck. Another thing I really like about this sneaker is the collar of the ankle. It's not a regular like white or black like canvas kind of material. Instead, it has like a pattern of this black and dark gray. Really cool. It's something different that you don't really see too often on a lot of retro Jordans. And on the back of the shoe you have that pull tab right here. It's the same kind of material that you would see on a backpack strap, what you use to like adjust the tightness of it. And then you also have, ow, I just slapped myself in the face with this Jordan. On the back of the shoe, you have that red Jordan Jumpman stitched in on both shoes. One thing you might also notice about the outsole of the shoe is that it's not a traditional like all one color outsole. If you look real close, you guys can actually see that there's a mixture of like this black and gray for each of these individual lines here. Now you might be wondering, what's with that line pattern? Well, on the bottom of the shoe, you actually have a list of a ton of Michael Jordan's accomplishments right here, with things ranging from his Rookie of the Year, 63 points in 86, his scoring title in 87, the dunk champ in 88. So a bunch of accomplishments and accolades are onto the outsole of the shoe. Dude, these smell so good. Comfort wise, I want to say these are a very comfortable Air Jordan Retro. One of the most comfortable at that. It uses a full length air unit along the Phylon material on the midsole of the shoe, which makes it very comfortable. And on top of that, because these are a high cut sneaker that go all the way up to your ankles, these do provide some excellent support and stability when it comes to, you know, hugging your ankles. Sizing, I would recommend going your true size. I usually wear size 10 in all of my Retro Jordans, and these Jordan 10s in a size 10 fit me perfectly. In my opinion, these sneakers go with pretty much anything, like honestly anything. Just because of the color scheme that it is, it's great for daily wear, so you're not really gonna have to think about coordinating your outfit too much around the shoes. You can pretty much grab anything you want and you're gonna be having a pretty, you know, clean, simple outfit. So if you were thinking about getting that one sneaker a year, this Jordan 10 is something I would definitely recommend you consider getting. So there you guys go. That's gonna wrap up my review today of the Air Jordan 10 Dark Shadow. If you guys did enjoy the video, please smash that thumbs up button down below. It lets me know you enjoy the content and you guys want to see more sneaker reviews like this. And of course, in the comment section, if you guys did make it to the very end of the video, comment down below if the Jordan 10 Dark Shadow is a cop or is it a drop for you? Is it a cop or is it a pass? Are you gonna double up on them? Let me know. I'll chop it up with you guys in the comment section. And of course, if you guys want to see how I style these, follow me on Instagram. It is @SneakerTalkCA. I have more outfit photos and sneaker photos over on there. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys did like this video, do me a huge favor and binge watch some more videos. I would really appreciate it. A ton of content coming out this weekend, so stay tuned. Special Nike vlog, all this fun stuff and more. My trip to Japan is coming up. It's a week away, man. A week away. We're gonna make some fire ass vlogs. We're gonna do some thrifting for some Jordans and all that kind of stuff over there. Japan is like the pinnacle of street culture and sneakers, so don't miss out on those series. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.